This video will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Reason. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. The ransomware actually encrypts files and reveals this ransom note, indicating that all your important files have been encrypted. It shows this message on top of other window, and it is impossible to, it's hard to get rid of it. To remove this lock screen, you need to select your task manager and end the task of this window. Nevertheless, the files are still encrypted and damaged, and a special extension is appended to the file names. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the software would first of all update its anti-malware database. So don't skip this very important step. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know all their exact locations on the system. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be protected from all other further ransomware attacks. This feature is called anti-ransomware feature, by the way. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats. Based on this summary of threats, you'll be able to remove some threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium, and this way your data would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.